Today we are at 27 Sahara Way, and we're gonna show here unit number 2, sorry. This is the front street side. It's raining today, so it's a little bit windy and dark. That's the neighbor, and that's the entry. Let's go see inside. Enter through the driveway, you'll have the parking spaces. These are all the parking spaces, and there's 2 floors, 2-story. We have the laundry room. This is a shared laundry room. Inside, coming into the living room. Nice space. We're gonna change that heater. They're still working on a few details. See the kitchen. It's really nice, very updated. Electric stove, nice appliances, microwave, and refrigerator. Nice large sink with dishwasher. This one is like has its own backyard. Unique to this unit, so it is very private. Right, to see the rooms. Coming to the rooms. Nice space, newly renovated with nice soothing colors. LVT floor and closets. Very spaceful. Look. Footage is about 12 by 13 on the first floor, on the first bedroom. So it's a nice, pretty nice size. This is the bathroom. Lot of closet space. And bathroom. Nice, very clean. Very nice. And there we go. This is the entire room. You got more storage space here. That's the living room. Very nice. And this is at 2070 Sahara Way, unit number 2.